Welcome to Maths Easy Peasy, and in today's class we shall be finding radius or diameter using circumference. That means find the radius or diameter when the circumference is given. And we have the first question on the board. The question says find the radius of a circle whose circumference is 88 centimeters, and they gave us pi as 22/7. This is actually easy peasy. Let's go straight to our board and solve this simple question. Solution. Radius is calculated using this formula. It is circumference divided by 2 times pi. And this is simple. We simply impute our parameters. Our circumference here is 88 centimeters divided by 2 times our pi there is 22/7. This simply gives us 88/1 divided by 2 times 22 gives us 44/7. Now, we apply the KCF, keep, change, and flip. So we have 88/1 times, that's the change, C, 7, flipping this gives us 7/what? 40 what? 4. Not KFC, I said KCF. So with this, 44 goes in here 1, 44 goes in here 2. So what we have left is simply the 2 times 7, which gives us 14 cm. Maths is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy. Let's take our next question. And this question, we shall be finding diameter when the circumference is given. Our second question for today. And the question reads, find the diameter of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeters. So, solution. Diameter is simple. It is equal to circumference divided by pi. And from the board, our circumference is 22. So write 22 divided by, the pi is 22/7. So it can be written as 22/1 divided by 22/7. Remember our KCF, not KFC chicken. So we keep the first fraction, 22/1, we change the symbol, the sign, and we flip the second fraction, which should be 7/22. So with this, we can cancel off. What we have left in our equation is simply 7 centimeters. So the diameter of the circle, whose circumference is 22, is simply 7 centimeters. Math is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, Mr. Austin's okra soup. See you in my next class. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye.